President Bill been launched wetin im call Mona Fund for help the small and medium business people dem na the country, and president been talk am na im statement say the money not for free, wey mean say the traders dem for invest and pay back, but say the loan interest rates na below 10%. For show commitment, the finance minister, George Safa, been disbursed 26 billion loans na the first 3 months. Inside 2021, na Bombali district, the process gets mixed reaction. We reporter Alpha Kabasi say been take the mic to the traders them. But first, the deputy chairman for the traders union, Mohamed Lamin Jallo, be explained.
Well, yes, but the only thing, they're not sending directly to Traders Union. An organization they will call CIDA, they say tomorrow, if God agree, they will give them to people then. Well, initially, what we've been started, we make a corporate body where each corporate consists of 10 people then, where they may say now through that he will go through for like he will survive and get this money. And then groups they also exactly now they send to CIDA. And out of that 104 groups, we don't get 36 groups there where the document don't become available for now in our office. But the CIDA manager, where he come, he tell we say, let we only recommend 10 groups, which consist of 100 people then. So now that we try for see how best we be able to send them to CIDA so that they will benefit tomorrow.
So now out of this 104 groups, then now when I don't get 36 we get documents, then say they want 10 groups. Yes, so how una go try within that 36 day, una go ensure say una go get the 10.
Okay, well, one thing is because initially president will be launched this program, it been tell we say a soft loan, and what they mean a soft loan in this period of 3 months, and also then give 1 year. But according to the manager yesterday, which we learn from him, they come so again, they come for 6 months, and that you get for give a collateral of 500,000 and pay another admin fee of 200. So this now a case where BC will throw onto the traders them. Whosoever will find say he get interest, then now they recommend. That's what we do. Well, each per person he forgets 5 million, meaning 10 per group forget 50 million. So we have responsibility now for push them to CIDA so that we recommend them and that then they get the money. Turn back, CIDA, then get for craft, how they get for collect this money, but not to we traders union. Well, indeed, yeah, people they get complaint because of the dengue win at the 6 months, because initially we've been expecting at least it for be 1 year. So just imagine if you can't take 5 million and give them for 6 months and you pay in return 834,000 for a month. You see, so you for pay with 6 months. Well, the challenge is the way we get. They're not being keep we informed. Say we get for we traders and get for pay them money they also in advance. This 500 and this other at cost. Initially, traders them in just fee way president don't launch and that you no need for pay any money in advance. It's like you just go in there recommend you. From there you get this 5 million in return. But later on you go able to manage your affairs for pay back the money. But now that we can get 700,000 you like pay, and according to the manager who for start time now when at today Wednesday and that tomorrow then go able to give them check. So you find out say there is a challenge because some people they don't learn. You see, all they done. Now one go able fortunate.
As all that's the be, the traders them they express this for Seka the loan scheme.
I tell Papa government plenty thank you. For year reason for say this money I don't come for really trader. So this money they say it don't come. If you then give me the money, now business I get for do no more. Because government give me for do business. From there, what I don't do the business, now return am back. Every month I go to return the money. We don't expect say government will say for Kaepui, now so for Epui. Because right now we not get money, then say for Kaepui. Government no say all thing don't strong right now. Nothing no day. If they say for Kaepui, then say for give money. Yes, the money now you will try. But that loan when they say for give inside 6 months we dey pay, we no go able. Some man go carry go say can't give me, wait give me later he'll run. Like we so me no get side for go. For now me host na market na that they do business. I no get side for go there. We dey beg government. We say for April we do a beg. We don't glad for this money. I let them help we. If na 10 months let them give we do a lot go dey pay small. We dey pay. We no say this money they face and can for let us let them. Yeah, government we dey pay. Yeah, we dey beg let them we add the time for we more. Yeah, we dey beg Papa government. Yeah, when they say for April na let them help we do allow no disgrace with the charge. All nothing no dey na run again. Now them money where they say right now they on floor for can give we now abopa. If they say they can give you 6 months when I run with they run, they allow no run Papa government with they beg they this money. I let them give you the 10 months. They are 40 they go can office where they say for 6 months. All man on difficult. We don't know waiting for you. They are they beg Papa government. Then they give you 10 months. They are me name come. But when they say for give 700, now that's how they part thing first. Then they say 6 months. All that they don't difficult. We don't know waiting for do right now. But they say the 700,000 for go left na bank. They say now the 500,000 now we own. After we don't pay down, then go go give you back the 500,000. The 200,000 you na don't explain we did play with the use of the 200,000, but the 500 we understand say now we own back after the payment and go give you back the 500,000. Now that's a known form.
I'm glad for the money, because if you fight for something, then you don't see, you dig beef, they see the tail, don't hold the tail. I don't say go hold the head, so we happy. I for promote me business, I add me business, and because I want beaucoup profit. So if you then can't give me money, I for put up my business so that I do me business fine one. If I may they sell granite by cup, sell another by bag. If I may they sell pepper by cup, I want sell another by bag or by pantro. So I want for promote me business. Me, I want for apply for 5 million because now 5 million, 10 million, but now 5 million I want for apply for. What's you there now? Because the union don't call we, don't can tell. Let them send 10 group wait for benefit and 100 people force at this first time wait for benefit now. But what they can't tell we, it's like waiting them first tell we and now you don't different, because they tell we say this money they go for 1 year and then they give you 3 months grace period. But what they can't tell we now that now 6 months and grace period now 1 month. So you find out say the time frame of this money you don't limit it, because if it had been 1 year or 10 months safe if you find for we, but they say 6 months now, and that 6 months when you multiply the money what they owe for pay, they say 834,000 per month, including the interest. And the interest if we not get problem with the interest. They will not get problem with collateral. Also, say go left the 500,000 because you know go trust money, you know put your money. We not get problem with that. Then with the other 200, they say office management and other thing. They will not get problem with that. But what you get problem? What now we own fear now? The time frame is too short. The loan is fine. Want the money, want promote to business, because president been tell we say now 1 year. Minister of Finance say 1 year. Minister of Trade say 1 year. But now the microfinance institution and the implementing partners then when they give this money say now 6 months and 1 month grace period. So now we concern with the raise. We have to tell them say do you when they raise this time for we, if 10 months safe, when they give for we, so that we go pay the money. We're ready for trust, we're ready for pay. But the time is short.
Mahmoud Fofana been put this story together.